These types of motivational shorts videos are now going viral all over the internet, especially on YouTube and TikTok. These videos have become incredibly popular. A YouTube channel has gained over 200,000 subscribers in just a few months with only 58 videos and is making thousands of dollars every month. Can you imagine making so much money in such a short time, just by creating YouTube Shorts videos? Look at this video. 127,000 views. Here's another one. 3.3 million views. This video has 3.1 million views. And look at this one. 11 million views. The best part about these videos is that you can also make similar videos in a very short time. So let's see how you can create these kinds of videos. So don't skip the last part of the video. Now let's watch one of their videos.
Вижу твой взгляд, степ на гаяк. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя. Так дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Суммы нули, погибает нас. Вижу твой взгляд, степ на гаяк. Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя.
First, I'll get some motivational quote ideas from ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give us many ideas for motivational quotes. From there, I'll choose a good one. Then, I'll go to pexels.com, a website where you can download free images and videos without any copyright issues. You can log in with any Gmail account, and after logging in, you'll see an interface like this. I'll download some free videos from this site that match the motivational quote. Secondly, after downloading everything, we'll go to CapCut video editor software to give the videos a perfect look. I'll import the downloaded videos, arrange them according to the quotes, and set each video to 6 seconds since it's a short video. Once arranged, I'll add the motivational text and size it perfectly. Next, I'll add text animations and finally add some viral music. To make the video look great, I'll add transitions and set the video ratio to 9:16 since it's a YouTube short. Once everything is done, let's take a look at the final video. Just like the one we saw earlier, I created a similar video in a very short time. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.